What is going on, guys? I'm Andrew from Live, and we're gonna be reacting to some clean DELTARUNE memes. I told you in my last video where I reacted to clean UNDERTALE memes, I said that I would do DELTARUNE memes in the next reacting video, and here we are in next reacting video. So let's do it. DELTARUNE memes clean. On all these are these like. Let me turn up the volume. No, not the ending. Not the ending. No. No, don't do it. Don't you do it. Bruh. Y'all do our project. Oh my god. Wait. Chris told Susie that she looks like Barney the dinosaur, which is actually kind of true. Oh yeah, Lance looks like Patrick is Lancer. Patrick is Lancer. Oh my god. What is this? Juggle. Oh my god, look at that. My boy. Oh my god. What are they? Oh my god. What is happening? Alright. Looks like this is made like with Pie Master. What the? Oh my god! I'm just switching. Good heavens, look at the time. What is happening right now? Okay, enough dance. Why did I let dance? Okay, you guys didn't see anything. If you say that word's a bad word, I'll probably redo the video and re-upload it. Templates. There's too many dancing memes. Get out of the NTDM.
Hello?
Sentence. Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna like the video. What is happening? Oh my god! What is that? He's doing for a special attack. So Sans and Venom are working together. Yeah, dunked on here. What the heck? Sans, stop. I know something's gonna happen. I'm not sure if I don't know. There's just too many damn. Why is it playing songs?
I count of 3. We'll jump out and surprise him. Oh boy, a surprise party! Is it his birthday?
What the heck? I mean, Sans is in Deltarune, but you don't necessarily fight him in the game. Maybe you fight him in Chapter 2.
Never before has Big Ben fallen silent for so long. Not during war, not during previous repairs. So we're going to let you listen to the entirety of this last midday chime for some time.
Oh my god! Big Ben is playing Megalovania. Man, Megalovania is my jam now. My jam.
Fading sunrise in the dark. Glimmering shadows.
Oh my god. I hope you're proud of yourself. Yeah,
I haven't been part of a team since I was with the 4 Peters.
What's the horn loudness? So much Megalovania. Okay, it's about over.
What army? Look around you, grass. You planted grass? Grass? Somebody touch my spaghetti!
Where is mostly Undertale? Somebody. Did he just say someone touch my spaghetti? Oh my god! What is happening right now?
Dad, look, Santa's here. We're being pursued by 2 objects. Looks like one's another U-boat. The other appears to be Sans.
Oh my god. I think it's Deltarune. It's Deltarune and Undertale. I guess I could title this video Deltarune plus Undertale. It's me, Sans. I guess we'll just name this title and just from Life Reacts to Deltarune and Undertale memes. I'm not. Oh, right, I'm Santa!
Yo, what's up, Flex fans? We're gonna check out the new green screen. It's awesome.
Judgment off. Look at Sans. Sans. Don't knock him down with the telekinesis. Okay. So, we have time to do a couple more memes. So let's do this one. The Ultimate Clean Deltarune Meme Compilation. Last night. Crab Ray Megalovania. Dun, dun.
Chris, I know what you're doing in there.
Okay, I'm just gonna Susie. More default dancing. Great. Great. Just great. It's Deltarune. I remember this. I watched this before. Oh my god. Want me to do more admin? Roblox? Comment down below and I'll try and get the comment section open if it's not. I knew it. He's just drinking away. Oh yeah, this maybe contains spoilers of the actual game, so you might want to play the game before you watch it. And don't worry, I'll make sure Susie watches her language. He's just bowing down with Susie on him. Susie, get out of there! Susie. Holy. Okay, that's a little bit cringy.
Speaking of memes, let me introduce you to Sans. Sans? We must be crazy.
There's the pretty girls and the popular girls, and I look like
Sarah's? I know it's Sarah's. It's gotta be Sarah's. K-Round! Okay, that's a little. Steal his look. Steal Jebel's look. Why would you steal Jebel's look? Let's skip ahead to here. What is it? So like 20 subscribers special, so congrats, all subscribe. Subscribe to He's turned into a dog. Look at him. Look at that. Oh my god. What the heck? Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more memes. Yeah, go subscribe to this person. Big, huge shout out. See y'all later. Yeah, okay. Alright. Any more memes? Okay, chill. Okay. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of Andrew's Farm Life reacts to Deltarune plus Undertale memes, because there's a little bit of Undertale in them. Just Sans Megalovania. And go subscribe to Andrew SM. I have subscribed with. Make sure to subscribe with notifications. I don't think I'll turn on notifications. I'm just subbing because it's sponsored in my reacting video. So I'll I'll subscribe to you guys who. I'll subscribe to the people that I choose on these videos. So bye guys.